Yes.
Okay, so we've been running a few campaigns. This is one we're struggling with a little bit. It's a lead campaign for a local real estate agency. We've run this for about a year, and it was basically to a lead form to get valuation requests. Now, originally when we first started it back here, we got quite a few in a month. And then since sort of a couple of months ago, it's literally dropped off a cliff. We were using custom conversions, as you can see on here. Literally today, I've changed it to a standard event, a lead event, which I've literally created a new campaign today, which was a direct duplicate of this campaign here, which got absolutely nothing. That's been running about 3 weeks, and we've got absolutely nothing from it. So it's really just your input on what you think we're doing wrong, and you know, any suggestions you might have, really.
Okay. Can you show me where the lead event fires?
Yeah, on the advert, you mean?
On the landing page.
Okay, so that's the landing page it goes to. We found a lot of, from looking at the results, we saw a lot of people were on mobile, so it's obviously been optimized for a mobile. So if I just...
I love how everybody's like optimizing for mobile these days. It used to not be the case at one point.
I know.
I will literally see like websites on desktop and then go to mobile, and then I'm like, whoa, whose site is this? It's totally different.
So what we did with this is a relatively new landing page. What we were trying to do with this was showing obviously the asking price versus the sold for price. But since we did this, it seems to have dropped off. This is one of the problems, because it's very much a local agency. It's for a local area. The target audience is about 650K, something like that. It's not a huge audience. So we want to sort of show various different houses in the area, so it's relevant to people, basically. Sure. So it's pretty straightforward. A single button. They leave their address. They leave their contact details and the phone number. They ring them back. That's all it is. It's a really simple lead form.
Yeah, I already know how to fix all of it.
Okay. Please go ahead.
Go to your ads now. I just want to make sure that I have the right thing in mind here. What your ads look like.
It's set up as CBO, and we've basically got 3 ad sets in the CBO. The geo-targeting was better. We've got a lookalike based on website visitors, and we've got a retargeting website visitors. So you usually go, and we've obviously duplicated the same ads in each ad set. So if I just show you.
Okay. Yeah, that's.
They're very basic. We found the ones with for sale boards tend to work better. The text is the same on all of them. We've just changed the creative. They're getting a lot of engagement. There's one that we ran. This one has got loads and loads of good testimonials on it.
It looks like a way better ad.
It's what, sorry?
I like this one.
It seems to work well. It did work well, and it's since the iOS 14 things come in, it's just, I don't know, it's just literally fallen off a cliff.
Okay, let's go to the landing page. I wonder if I can draw on this thing. That'd be cool. But so here, let's just remove all of these images.
Okay.
And move the landing form all the way at the top, because the people who are coming from the ads, they already see the image.
Okay.
So the ad's doing the heavy lifting, and then that way they don't have to see the images twice. And then like,
right, got it. So remove images, bring form higher up the page. Yeah.
And then that's it. I mean, that's going to convert much better. And then let's just start there. That's gonna do much better.
Okay, cool. So with the ads, with this, because we've got these 3 ad sets, is this lookalike? Should we just get rid of this, or I mean, is it worth keeping this lookalike, do you think?
What size is it?
Let's have a look.
No.
Get rid.
Yeah. It's too small. It's too small. Let's just go wide on the broad targeting.
What about the retargeting? Would you keep that?
For now, yes.
Okay.
Just make sure it's on ad set level now. Just switch it to ad set level. Let's then just fix the landing page, and then like we'll go from there.
Okay. So switch that off. So I can do that. I can switch the landing page. That's not a problem. So I can swap that. So do you think lose all of the imagery on the landing page and literally just have a form?
Yes, that would be perfect. Like when this loads, the form's right there.
Okay. And in terms of the headline, that's all okay. You think there's nothing we need to do with the headline and these bullet points? Do we need any of this?
Yeah, keep all that. Just make sure the form's above it, and keep just make sure the form's above it.
Okay. So form here, and then these bullet points and everything underneath the form, basically.
Yes.
Okay. So I think, I mean, like I say, for now, that's all there is really. I mean, we've got a few other campaigns. Obviously, we can go through those in the coming weeks anyway. But this was just really the first night that so thought I'd just come and say hello and just contribute a little bit and find out, see what you thought really.
Yeah, absolutely. And another quick idea is take the bullet points and launch an ad with them.
Okay. So these.
Yes. Launch those with like house emojis, how you're doing.
Yeah. So do you think we would keep the same creative in terms of the imagery and stuff and just change the bullet points to those bullet points?
Adding another ad in addition to see if it works.
So a different creative, basically.
Yes. But I'm almost certain the landing page is going to be the thing that gets this thing to convert.
Okay. I mean, this is a video. This is not a still. So we did try video and image.
Yes, and use the learn more for that next creative with those bullets.
Okay. Learn more, not book now.
Right. Learn more is more consumer driven. People are used to it already.
Okay. That's interesting. Yeah, we never thought that. We just thought it book evaluation. We just thought book now kind of thing. So that'd be useful. Yeah, I'd be interested to try that, definitely. Okay, so it's launching another advert then with a different creative, and we'll have a book. Learn more, not book now on that with those other bullet points.
Yes, that'd be perfect.
Cool. Well, that's everything, Chase. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. I'm excited to see how that turns out.
Just before I go, another quick question. Is it against Facebook ad policy to be an admin on a client's business manager, as well as we run the adverts for our clients here, but with all this iOS 14 stuff, we've set ourselves up as admins on their business manager. Does Facebook not like that?
No, that's certainly allowed. You're allowed to be in their business manager. Just make sure that the domain, have you already set up all the iOS 14 things?
Yes, we've done all that. We've done all the verification, all the event setup. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Then yes, you're totally fine. There's nothing to be wrong there. We have access to lots of client business managers, but we manage it out of our agency one.
Yes, that's kind of what we're doing. And in terms of the event setup, for this particular campaign, we just got Lead. We haven't used any others. That's right, isn't it?
Yes, Lead's good. Lead's good for the contact form submission.
Okay. That's lovely. Thanks for that, Chase. We'll be in touch. Or perhaps, speak next week.
Absolutely. Thanks, Mark.
Cheers. Thanks a lot for that.
All right. Bye.